Alrighty, so I'm going to show you some of our favorite apps here, and one of our favorites is Our Groceries, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I'm going to hit back in order to get to the home screen. From the home screen, you'll notice that there are listed the names of the stores that we go to, and then how many items we need from those stores. And so right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Shopping List. And it looks like I've added a few more things here. So you'll notice that we have the items. To add an item, just going to click Add. I can type it in right here if I want to, but I really like this feature, which is the microphone. So I'm going to click on the microphone. And I'm going to say an item, Gatorade. So it's processing it right now. Well, it doesn't know what I said because I said a whole sentence when I did it. But needless to say, it is kind of cool that you can say an item and then it will go in there. So if you see an item there, you just click on it and it'll add it to your home page. To get rid of it, you just click it, and click that off. And I'm going to delete crossed out items. That's it at the store. So we look at our list and we can just cross them off that way. So to do this, you just go on to the Our Groceries website and you create an account. And then it'll tell you how to actually link the phones to it. So you would just send out an invite to each of the phones and accept it. And if not, can't remember if it's, they give you a login, but I believe it's actually just sending out an invite. Any which way. And then you can have them for each of your phones, and that's a pretty cool thing. The other thing that's really handy is one of my other favorite apps is this one here called Docs. And it's actually a widget, actually. So to add a widget, I'm first going to go to the cog at the top here because I have no space on my pages. So come on, cog, where are you? There you are. So I'm going to click that cog at the top, and it brings me to those different pages. I'm going to click Add a Page. Okay. So I'm going to go to that page now, and from the menu button down here at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and hit Add, and I'm going to go to Widgets. Sometimes these widgets are actually updating constantly, so you want to be careful on which widgets you choose. I did choose the battery widget because I like to know what my battery is. The other one that I like is the calendar widget, and that connects to my work calendar and tells me what it is that I'm going to be doing the next day. And then the other widget that I like, I'm going to go ahead and click Add, go to Widgets again. And from here, the one like I was saying before is Docs. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It actually wants to connect to one of my Gmail accounts, which is fine. One is Gmail for home and one is Gmail for work. I'm going to click the work one. And you'll notice that it brings up that little widget, so I can star some of my documents, take pictures that automatically upload, or add documents. So I'm just going to click on that widget, and it brings up my account. Down at the very bottom, you'll notice that there's the email address connected to this doc account. The cool thing is I can just click it, and automatically it'll bring up my other Gmail accounts, and I can just click on it and then bring up the other docs. And so here are my documents. See if it brings it up, and it did. So now I can just star it, so if I want to get to this real quickly, come on, no, I didn't want to do that. Made a mistake, I'll hit the back button. So I'll just put a little star there, and I'm going to hit back. So now when I go to start, it'll bring it right up really quickly. And the cool thing is, if you see that star right there, I can click the star and it'll bring up the docs that I want right away, or the pictures. So that's pretty handy. So check those out, and on the next video we'll show you how to do some of the settings so that they don't synchronize all the time. So anyhow, let us know if you have a favorite app too.